Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today's lesson is about pictogram. And by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify the use of pictographs, and also you will be able to interpret and complete pictograms where one symbol represents one item. I hope all of you are ready, and let's get started with the key vocabulary. Everyone, come on, repeat after me. Pictographs, graph, pictures, chart, and data. And let's do a quick recap and remember what is a pictogram. A pictogram is a chart or a graph which uses pictures to represent data. They are set out the same way as a bar chart, but uses pictures instead of bars. So in pictogram, we use pictures. Each picture could represent one item or more than one. And this is an example about pictograms. As you can see here, it's written 2 cupcakes. So one picture represents 2 cupcakes, okay? Look at here. Now, this pictogram shows favorite color in a class. So many students, they voted for their favorite color. As you can see in this pictogram, they voted for red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. Each circle represents 2 students, okay? So each circle, this red circle here, it means 2 students voted for red. 2 students voted for red, 2 students voted for red, and 2 students voted for red, right? And here, as you can see, half circle, half circle means amazing, 1 student, right? Because the full circle represent 2 students, so the half circle represent 1 student. Now let's start with the first question. How many students like blue? Find the blue in the pictogram. Yes, exactly. How many students like blue? Remember, each circle represents 2 students. So here we have 2, 2 make 4, and half circle means 1. So the total is 2, 2, 1. The total is amazing. Well done. 5. So 5 students voted for blue. Now again, the same pictogram, and each circle represents 2 students. Now I want you to tell me how many more students like yellow than green. So now we're gonna compare between yellow and the green. Here we go, this is yellow. And here, green. How many more students like yellow than green? Here we have 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Here we have 2, 2, and 1. How many? So 5 students, they like green, and yellow, how many? 9, right? So how many more students? 1, because here only 1 student, but here we have 2, so I have 1 more, 2 and 1. So the total is yes, 4. Well done. Now this one, the same pictogram, and look at it, okay? And now I want you to think of a question can be asked using this pictograph. Now you try to ask any question. You can pause the video if you want extra time to think. Amazing, well done. And one of the options you can ask, what color is the most popular? Now, let's try this one. Which color is the most popular in this pictogram? When you look at the pictogram, as you can see, the pictures will represent how many students voted for yellow, pink, green, and blue, and red. So as you can see, what is the most popular color? Excellent, yellow, well done. Now, the same pictogram, but this time I want you to think which color is the least popular? Least popular. Well done, excellent. Blue and green, super amazing job. Now you can challenge yourself. Look at the pictogram. How many students voted all together if each circle represents one student? Okay, so this is the pictogram and each circle represents one student. So how many students voted all together? You can pause the video if you want to find out the answer. Yes, exactly. You just need to count. Well done. So what do you think? Take your time. Excellent, 16. Well done, super amazing job. Now I want you all to get your workbook number 2 and open page number 50 and answer this pictogram. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you inshallah in the next lesson and assalamu alaikum.